Yes, come to the table. You can both sit right there in the front. Thank you. So state your names for the record, please.
My name is Jody White.
And my name is Charmin Sowards.
Okay, so I am a Michigan Senate candidate for District 8, a real estate professional and the co-founder of the Michigan Judicial Probate Integrity Project, whose tagline is once victims, now trained advocates. I'm here today because the board funds the Wayne County Probate Court over $12 million a year, 78 employees, and the public has no way to watch what that court does with it. Canon 1 of the Michigan Code of Judicial Conduct states the judiciary system exists for the benefit of the litigants and the public, not the judiciary. Canon 2 says judges must expect to be the subject of constant public scrutiny. I'm here to ask, where is the scrutiny? The State Bar of Michigan has over 43,000 members. Its probate and estate section alone represents more than 3,500 attorneys, professionals whose livelihoods depend on a probate court that operates without a working public-facing accountability mechanism. On March 3rd, our team attended Wayne County probate court hearings and asked for their day's docket. We were told it's an internal document. We contacted the state court administrator. We were told no rules require a public calendar. So if you do not already know the name of the case, you cannot know if it's being heard. In one of the cases, an 88-year-old woman's estate, her home was sold $96,000 below market with no court authorization. Over $91,000 was drained from her IRA before any inventory was even taken. She was placed on the witness stand and didn't even understand why she was even in court. A special fiduciary appears in case after case before the same judge. There is no public registry. No one would have known except that one of the court watchers happened to be in the room on the right day in the right room. The probate court exists to provide appropriate authority to administrate an estate upon the death of a loved one. It is not a place to harm our families, our loved ones, or our legacies. This is not an attack on the court. This is precisely what the court's own governing code demands: public scrutiny. I've met with one commissioner, Marecki, and she's my commissioner, and I've left messages for two others who have not received a time to meet, and that was Charmin's commissioner and Cynthia, who could not be here, her commissioner. So I'm asking this committee directly today, place the issue of judicial abuse in Michigan probate courts on the agenda of this committee. You fund this court. The public deserves to know you are watching it. Second, schedule a formal meeting with the commissioners to discuss the Wayne County Probate Oversight Ordinance, a public functionary registry, a daily public docket, and our request for a meeting with the Michigan Judicial Council, and that is so that we can get access to our documents and our court recordings. As a Senate candidate, I'm committed to working with every county commissioner in the state to fix how our probate court operates, but it starts here with the body that holds the purse. You have $12 million in authority and almost 1.8 million people counting on you to use it with a specific oversight mechanisms to benefit your constituents. Canon number 1 says that the court exists for the litigants and the public. We believe that, and we believe you believe that. We are simply asking you make it true with a public docket, an oversight ordinance, and a meeting. Thank you.
I'm just a country singer from Nashville, Tennessee, who put her career aside to take care of her mother, who has been in probate court since 2015 to protect her, which I lost my battle with that because of incompetent people that would not do their job. Just lost her, and then the hospitals killed her. 2 hospitals in a row drugged her so badly that she had a heart attack and died. And she was in guardianship, and I was not allowed to see my mom. I'm the daughter. I was the only one taking care of her, even though the guardian had all the control, which is wrong. And this is the oversight and that is needed so desperately so that people will behave and do their jobs. I mean, it's a shame I had to do their job, and they're getting paid and taking all my mom's money, which she didn't have much. So this is a spiritual deal. It actually is spiritual. So, what you do to other people is going to happen to you. Doesn't matter which God you're serving, because they both require to obey. So I'll leave you with this. What you do to people is going to happen to you. That's just the laws of spiritualness.
All right. Thank you both very much.
I know
Appreciate it.
get an answer, but can I am contacting all of you. I will contact you guys now that I've met you. I was going with just our group's commissioners, but you've been phenomenal with these other programs that have been started, and you're asking amazing questions. And don't get me wrong, I think we needed all those programs, but we need one in probate court. And you guys are familiar with Charlie LaDuff. He's right over here. He's doing the Tracy Cornett case in Kent County when they should be here in Wayne County doing it. So if I could just call you guys, at least you have our
Okay,
face.
so this is what we'll do. So from here, I will consult our legal counsel on this and we'll respond to that. But I appreciate both of
Thank
you
you,
and your
Mr.
time today.
Garza.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
And by the way, we are kind of going up against the attorneys. So when you talk to the attorneys, can we know what you're saying? Because we want.
It's our legal counsel, our internal legal,
Okay,
but
okay.
we'll respond.
Okay,
But
sounds
thank you
good.
so much.
We
I
appreciate
appreciate
that.
both of you today.